Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, another unboxing video for my monthly subscription beauty box Boxycharm. Every time I receive my monthly subscription beauty box, I'm so excited and I want to share with you what I got for this month. Alright everyone, this is what's look like the packaging, and it's heavy box. I am excited because it's a little bit heavy. I don't know what's inside, but it is heavy box. First, these cute papers, and they put all the product and the price as well. I'm excited. This is the eyeshadow palette. Super cute packaging of eyeshadow palette. Very cute packaging of eyeshadow. Yeah, Laura Seller multi-finish eyeshadow palette. Laura Seller the casual collection multi-finish eyeshadow palette. Super cute packaging. I love the packaging. Next is, oh, I'm excited. That's cute packaging. Next is hydrating face mist. It's a big bottle and I cannot wait to use this one. I'm really excited about this one. After you put your makeup on and everything, you can spray it all over your face, and then yeah, I'm excited to try it. Super cute packaging, kind of like rose gold packaging of face mist. Third is serum plus vitamin E RT retinol natural 90% serum. Really cute packaging. I cannot wait. I love serum, especially before I go to bed. I put serum onto my face every night before I go to bed. This is one of my favorite skincare. When it comes to skincare, one of my favorite is serum. I can't go to sleep without putting serum onto my face before I go to bed. Fourth is this Beauty Drops Firming Body Oil. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. It says Beauty Drops Firming Body Oil. Ah, it's cute. I want to try this to firm our skin. Whatever we have loose skin, it says firming body oil. So never heard firming body oil. So interesting beauty product. I cannot wait to try it. We'll see if this is good to our skin. Firming body oil. Never heard of it, but yeah, I'm excited to play with this. And last one, we got this. Oh, this is so cute packaging. Eyelashes, and it comes with the kit, the eyelash adhesive, and also the, what do you call that, I don't know how do you call this, the applicator to use for eyelashes, to put it into your natural eyelashes. Super cute packaging as well. I cannot wait to try it on, even though I don't know how to put eyelashes. I'm still learning how to put eyelashes, fake eyelashes, but yeah, I'm excited to try this onto my eyelashes. Super cute packaging. This is Lava Lashes Flirty Lash Set. Yeah, it's a set. Comes with a glue, adhesive, and also the kind of like a tweezer, but it's not a tweezer. To use to put your eyelashes into your natural eyelashes. I don't know. I haven't tried this kit. So alright everyone, that's it for my quick unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box Boxycharm. I cannot wait to try this onto my skin. Beauty Drops Firming Body Oil. So this is interesting beauty product. Firming Body Oil. Ooh, I'm gonna put it all over my skin. See what happened to our skin after we use this firming body oil. So really interesting product. And also the serum. I love serum. When it comes to skincare, I do love serum. I apply serum every night before I go to bed. I'm excited with this. And then it's the serum plus vitamin E, RT, retinol, and also the eyeshadow, super cute eyeshadow as well, really cute eyeshadow, and the color is nude, like very simple eyeshadow color to play with, and also the hydrating mist. So I'm excited for this one too. And also the faux lashes. I cannot wait to play with this. It comes with the kit, adhesive, eyelash, and also the tools. Alright everyone, that's it for my quick Boxycharm unboxing. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!